Kilo 996, startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Wilco.
Ground, Bravo, Alpha 63841, request startup. Bravo, Alpha 63841, startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Wilco.
Ground, good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking, information, whiskey, read to copy.
You are cleared to Echo, Delta, Delta, Foxtrot, Via, Romeo, Alpha, X-Ray, Echo, 1, Charlie, transition, Bravo, India, Sierra, Echo, Tango, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Cleared to Echo, Delta, Delta, Foxtrot, Via, Romeo, Alpha, X-Ray, Echo, 1, Charlie, transition, Bravo, India, Sierra, Echo, Tango, 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Ground, request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi. Ground, request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Ground, request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 14.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 14. Spoilers. Spoilers.
Reached parking area. Switching off. 6 Echo 5312. Roger. Good day.
Reached parking area. Switching off. Uniform Kilo 956. Roger. Good day. Six Echo 5298 ground. Landed at 25. Report runway vacated. Ground. 6 Echo 5298 runway vacated. Request taxi to gate. 6 Echo 5298 continue taxi to gate. Wilco.
Flaps. Ground. Holding point runway. 14.
Contact tower on 118.100.
Roger. Contact tower on. Cabin crew. Prepare for takeoff.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Tower. Good day. Holding point runway. 14. Ready for departure.
Wind 308 degrees, 2 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 14. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway. 14. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Tower. Bravo Alpha 63841. Leaving 3,000 feet. Bravo Alpha 63841. Airport at 27. Contact radar. Roger. Contact radar.
80 knots. V1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Flaps. Tower, leaving 3,000 feet.
Airborne at 30, contact, radar, on 127.900.
Contact, radar, on 127.900. Radar, 3,800 feet. Inbound, Mike Bravo 053.
Radar contact. Waypoint, Mike Bravo 053, heading 072.